guys? My name is Dillon Secklin. I've been playing drums for about 18 years. I've been playing Collision Drumsticks for a while now. I play the 5As, the Collision 5As. I find that they are lightweight, but they're durable. So when I play for 2 or 3 hours at a time, it's not a big deal at all. They are strong sticks. I'm pretty stoked on Collision as a brand. Collision Drumsticks are awesome. I'm in a band called Huckleberry Road. We have an album coming out, self-titled album. It'll be out in 2023. I'm going to play a song off that album called High Time. Here we go.
Rolling them up and throwing them back, burning straight through this 40 sack. 2 a.m. too proud again, no last calls in the county pen. Started out tonight with good intentions. Now old Johnny Law's trying to do me in. Forget about wine, where's the moonshine? Spinning my wheels, puffing sunshine. Trouble again and I don't mind. Having one hell of a high time. Biding my time for the county line, running and a gun and just trying to